How to make a Black Russian. So you might be familiar with a White Russian. A White Russian is vodka, Kahlua, and then you fill it with milk. A Black Russian is the same thing, just get rid of the milk. And that's why it's black, because that's all you see is the black. So this is a rocks drink. So it's served in a rocks glass just like this. So we fill this with ice all the way to the top. And we take our vodka and our Kahlua and fill it up. Half and half. 50% vodka, 50% Kahlua. And there it is. One of my favorite drinks. Now, you can switch this up a little bit by adding flavored vodka. I like using Stoli vanilla. There are other flavors of vanilla vodka. You can even switch it up by adding a different flavor of Kahlua. I think there's a mocha Kahlua, there's a hazelnut Kahlua. So even though it seems like a pretty straightforward drink, there are some variations.